In this video I'm going to be unboxing and assembling the Injora IR60 kit for the SCX24. I love the IR60 body. I got it on the 18th scale. This is on the Red Cat Ascent. Really dig how this body looks and functions. So I'm really pumped that we got this for the SCX24. This is going to be a long form assembly video. I'm going to do a step-by-step. I will put timestamps in the pinned comment down below if you want to skip to the end. But if you want to follow along with the assembly, let's open this up, kick this off. We'll go over what comes in the box, then we'll get to the assembly. I gotta find a rig to put it on, see what it fits, and then we'll run it and go have some fun. So let's open this up and check it out. Alright, here we go. I haven't even opened this yet. Just a single-sided one-page instruction manual. I got the purple. I love that they're offering this in different colors now, lots of different color choices. Love that purple. It's got like a metallic flake to it. We got a matte black hood. This looks awesome compared to the Big Brother here. We got our bed rails, we got our grill, we got windshield wipers, mirrors. We got the nylon bed rails. I'm curious as to what this is going to fit on or what I can put it on. All right, assembly looks pretty easy. So I'm going to open all this up, put it on my work mat, and then we'll start building it together. All right, let's go. Let's see, step number 1 here. Looks like we start from the rear. Stubby little piece here. This is going to go in the back. Let me see. These go. Oh yeah, just like this. Okay, they're nice. Okay, that's step 1. Step number 2. Start to assemble the nylon cage here. So this is going to be your right side. So you've got kind of this downward slope here with this protrusion. This is going to go towards the front. Like that right there. The rear roll bar here has holes in it. This looks like these go towards the front. Now, I always find out kind of halfway through that I've done this wrong, so we'll see. We're going to give this a shot. So right side, we're going to start with the right side. Other side. And now we're going to put our supports on here as well. One piece is going to attach to the roll bar, and then they're angled off to the side, so it's going to attach to the side of the bed like that as well. Right, there's our tubular cage there in the back. Feels nice and solid. What's next? Step 4, we're going to attach our body hinge here. This is another thing I almost chronically get incorrect. Right, pieces that go into the tubular cage. It's a little rough. The nylon's a little rough on this. Let's be able to get it. There we go. It'll fit in there. Let's give it a little elbow grease. All right. Oh, nice. That fits in there good. Okay. Okay, here's our rear cage here. You see it's on the hinge like that. What's next? We start putting the bed rails on. It looks like I jumped the gun there, so I should not have put this bottom one on. You want to take that. This is going to help hold your bed on. So if you were following along, I led you astray there. That one didn't want to bite. I got on that one. Yeah, this top hole on both sides has been trouble. There we go. Alright, some of these I'm having to really muscle the thing in there. But there we go. Nice. Now it feels super solid. With the rear part done, we're going to move on to the front. Step 6, we'll start putting on our scale details. So we got rubber mirrors. We're going to go on here. Just going to press these in. These were a pain in the butt from the larger scale. And the thing is that the windows are installed, just kind of set in there. They're not screwed in, but you got to take the windows out to get this in there. There we go. So pop that out. We'll put that in a minute. Put your mirrors in. just like that. Those went in much better than the 18 scale, I feel. These plastic side pieces just clip in. You might want to put some glue on here if you're worried about these popping off. We'll see how they go in. They feel really solid. I don't think there's any need to put glue on there. Nice fit and finish there. Went in really solid. There we go. I feel like this kit is going together better than the 18 scale. My larger version, I had trouble with these, as well as the mirrors, but this is going together slick. Now I'm going to put my windows back in. The windows stay in there. They're nice and tight in there. It does recommend you screw them in. Step 7, we're going to choose our grill. So again, like the Big Brother here, you get 2 different grill choices. I went with the kind of vertical slot on the larger scale. I'm going to go with the opposite on this one. Oh, I love how this is going together. Everything fits super nice. There's our cab right there. Looking good. I like it. I love the purple. Next step, we're going to bolt the cab onto the cage. So it goes like this. So those pieces, these are going to go on the inside of the cab, just like that. I almost feel like it would make more sense to do the cab first and then the grill. That way you could get your driver in better. That worked just fine. There it is. Look at that. Great looking little body on this. I love it. What's next? Scale details here. We got windshield wipers. Just going to gently press these in. Careful not to bend the stock on this. Oh, crap. I just broke it. Bummer. Just going to punch that out. Alright. Oh, broke it right there. Yep, be careful with these. Those are fragile. I don't want just one windshield wiper, so I'm going to take the other one out. Now, you don't need this for installation. This is going to go on the chassis. It's going to give you your stubby high clearance bumper right there. Nothing I need to do with the actual body itself. Notice that we got some magnet mounts here for this one. So whatever I do decide to put it on, get your body mount. All right, there's our body mount there. We got the magnets that come with it. So whenever we find a truck to put this on, we'll be ready to go. But that's it for the body assembly. That was super slick. Great looking little body here. Really like what Injora is doing this, making hard bodies easy. Nice solid feel to it. Looks great. Love the purple paint. It's got like that satin metallic look to it. The matte black hood gives it a great appearance. I'm excited to put it on. So I'm going to find a rig to put this on and we'll see what it looks like all together. Alright my friends, check it out. Here is the IR60 all installed. This thing is made for the C10 JLU Bronco wheelbase, you know, that kind of standard SCX24 wheelbase. That's what I used here. I used my C10. I took the orange body off, put this one on. We'll see how long it stays because I love my orange body. But seeing this purple one looks really, really good. So I got the Maz Designs bead locks here with the 57mm Black Label tires from Little Guy Racing Parts. Otherwise, it's all completely stock. Body fits on here really nice. I ended up having to use the C10 because if you run anything that has sliders, and a lot of my trucks are running aftermarket ESCs on the sliders here, because this is kind of pinched in the waistline, it was challenging to use. I was going to put this on my JLU, but I couldn't because I had the ESC on the slider. So I went with the stock C10 and it was a perfect swap, no problem. This seemed to fit really well on the C10. I feel like something's going on with my front end here. It just isn't as clean as what I see on the Injora website. But I feel like I did everything correctly mounting it. Guys, if I've done something wrong here, please let me know in the comments So A, I can fix it, and so B, others don't make the same mistakes I did. But it just kind of has this bumper jutting out more than I would like. But fitment wise, it fits really well. These 57mm tires touch the fenders there on the bed rails, but I don't think I'm not gonna get any significant rubbing at all. They actually tuck in there really, really nice. Front's got plenty of clearance in there, no issues with the front. One thing to note when installing this on the C10 anyway, I'm not sure if it's the same with other models, but what I did have to do is rotate my ESC. From stock form, these plugs are in the front, but I couldn't get the body mount down low enough. And you'll see in the run footage, I discovered this when I got home, in the run footage you'll see that the body is up significantly over the bumper. It's because I couldn't get this mount down far enough. But if you twist that, you get your plugs out of the way, then you can push your body mount down more and you get a more flush fitment with your body. Much, much nicer. Going with this alternate style grille, I did put the lights in there. You get 2 sets of lights. You get a set of smaller LEDs to go in the other grille, and then you get a set of larger LEDs to go in this one. So overall, very cool project for 34 bucks. Pretty quick and simple way to transform your SCX24. Now let's go hit the rocks so you guys can see this in action. All right, guys, here we are out here with the IR60 on the SCX24 C10 platform. Bone stock except for wheels and tires in this body kit. Right off the bat, I can tell it sits really high. Having troubles with that front mount. Getting the body to sit lower in the front. We'll see how it performs. Looks great though. Love the purple against those black wheels. Just a great looking body here. We'll get through there better than I thought. Oh no! Oh! Damage assessment. Alright, so it's tough. We've established it can take some diggers. Oh yeah, it definitely feels top heavy. Just kind of tipped over there. Let's turn around and go up that same section. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of rubbing on that rear tire. It catches just a little bit. I did move the shocks to the frame. You can see it rubs just a tiny bit. These are the 57mm tires. If you had bigger tires, you definitely have some rubbing there. I'm in trouble. No way it's going to stick that. If I can hang on. I don't want to fall off this rock again. I do like the looks of it a lot. Sharp, sharp looking kit here. Oh no. Bring that down, yes. Look at this thing, huh? Oh boy, I'm impressed with that. It's doing better than I thought. Those wheels have some weight to them and those tires are super grippy, so keeping it pretty planted. One of my favorite sections here for the minis. Get some lift there with the front tire, not be able to keep, oh, here we go. Bring it back down to earth. I think so. I think we're gonna make it. Nice job. So it's actually more planted than I was expecting. It looks high. Looks like it sits high on the chassis. I was expecting a lot of trouble rolling it over like that. There we go. You do feel the weight on the top a little bit, but not as much as I was expecting, and not as much as you would think by looking at it. Oh, if I had more power, I'd get through here. There we go. Gotta remember, I'm on a totally stock platform here. It's doing pretty good. So I'm really pleased with this body. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with it. I don't think I'm gonna leave it on the C10 long term. I just wanted to test it out for you guys. I'd like to see this on a different build, something with some more performance behind it. It's gonna be tricky though because of how narrow the body is. It doesn't leave you a lot of room in there for electronics if you put them on the sliders and things, but we'll figure it out. We'll put this on something. We'll do a IR60 SCX24 build out. Navigating that pretty well. Again, much more planted than I expected. I can get through here. I love what Injora is doing with these bodies. It's just a super simple and great way to totally transform your truck. Like, you'd never think this was basically a stock SCX24. Oh, there's that weight right there. Definitely feeling it. But yeah, it's like I was saying, a very easy way, affordable way to give you a custom hard body look for the SCX24. I wonder if they'll do the IR40 next. I'd love to see an IR40 for the SCX24 also. Nice job there. Cool. I'm going to keep playing with this. I'm going to wrap it up. Just want to get you guys some good run footage, and I'll see you back at the bench. All right, guys, fresh back from the rocks. Had a great time with this little truck. A lot of fun considering that it's pretty much completely stock other than the wheels and tires in this body. I still got some tinkering to do. I want to get it more snug here in the front. Got to decide what I want to do with this truck, if I want to leave it on here or not. I like the body enough. I'd like to do something with it, probably something more higher performance. I'd like to put my orange C10 back together, but maybe I'll do a separate build with the IR60. This purple coloring on here with the black wheels, I really dig how this thing looks. Injora is really crushing it with these bodies. They just look so good. So overall, I think for 34 bucks, I think this is a great kit for your SCX24. It's a super simple and affordable way to completely transform the look of your truck. So guys, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of the IR60? What do we want to see next for the SCX24 from Injora? I'll put the link in the description down below and where you can order this up for yourself. And remember, you can use my discount code and save 5% on all things at Injora.com. As always, I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video.